Welcome back, and if you're new to the channel, welcome. We are here to wrap up that Sahara Las Vegas series with an overview of the property and our experience, so stick around. But first,
I'm Scott.
And I'm Justin.
And guess what?
We live in both love.
Like Justin said, we are here to give an overview of the Sahara property today. But if you need to catch up, we also have a review of one of the Alexandria suites in We Livin' for Comfort. We also checked out Una Mas Tacos in We Livin' for Food, and the Casbar in We Livin' for Cocktails. So you can find all of those videos linked in the description below.
So we're gonna start off by letting you know that Sahara used to be an abandoned building at one point. And after that, they did a remodel, switched it over to this place called SLS, and then back to the Sahara where we stayed at the present time.
Yep.
And let me tell you, they've come up. Now, supposedly, this one guy ended up purchasing the Sahara that owns the Grand Sierra Resort in Reno, Nevada, and put a lot of money to it, and it shows.
Yeah, and if you're interested in that one, you can check out our overview of the GSR up in Reno as well, because we've been there too.
In the description below.
So let's talk about the Sahara itself. So, it's beautiful. It's one of the more stylish and elegant properties that we've been to.
Yes.
Love all the little touches. We were there during Christmas, so it was all decked out, and I mean, it was beautiful. It was a great place to visit. And one of the things that I really noticed is that they pay attention to sort of the 360-degree view, including the ceiling. Had a lot of finishes and really cool flourishes.
Moldings.
Yeah, lighting elements, they did it up.
Yeah, they really do. And actually, it's comparable to what they do at GSR, the Grand Sierra Resort. You could definitely tell that it's the same vision.
Yeah, but it is a little bit smaller than most other casino properties, which kind of, I guess, makes it more manageable in a way. If you're looking for a huge casino floor, this isn't the spot.
Yeah.
It feels a lot more like a Reno spot, comparable in size than it does like a Vegas location where usually you can get lost completely. But that's kind of cool too.
Yeah, it actually makes it feel more comfortable to me. So this place really doesn't have that many food options, and unfortunately during COVID, most of them were closed, or you had to order it to go and you could not dine in the restaurant.
Yeah, I think this was probably the property that was the most affected by COVID that we've been to. They made us take everything to go. There was no dining, no seating whatsoever. And only one bar was open at the time. And there were really chill other bar spots that I was like, ooh, I want to check this out.
Yes, beautiful bars.
Yeah, and unfortunately there was only the one open, the Casbar, which was great too. But I felt like there was more offerings at a different time.
Yeah. So this property doesn't have many amenities, as much as other properties do on the Strip, such as, what? What can I think of? I don't even know.
It does have a spa and it does have like a fitness area.
Yes.
But I think they were constructing the pool. I don't think they have one right now, or we just missed it.
Yeah, you know what? Actually, there was construction going on, and we asked somebody who worked there, and they didn't know what they were putting in. So I don't know if that person just didn't know, or
See, I thought they said it was a pool. I'm remembering different.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Well, find out. It'll open, and there'll be
next time we go.
There'll be a new thing.
Yeah, it'll be something. Let's talk about the location.
So it is like way north of the Strip, and we beat them up a little bit about their whole the Strip starts here. Still no, no it doesn't.
No.
So
they tried.
That's still true.
They tried it.
I love how their thing like cuts off at them, not at the Stratosphere a block north of them.
Yeah.
Like we're it. Go away, Stratosphere. Like,
I know
so...
the Strip starts there, and it clearly doesn't. There's so much space in between.
And most of it is condos. Like that's just not the Strip vibe.
I mean, you can barely see through like a little cutaway the Resorts World that's coming, but that's it. You don't see anything else.
But I guess on the flip side of that, if you're looking for something a little bit less like crazy, a little bit less rowdy, this is a pretty chill spot. Like, I think that there's give and take on that. It's commute, to be sure.
Yeah.
And I mean, and that'll be helped when the monorail is back up. It wasn't when we were there. So you'll have a lot more direct access.
Yeah.
But it's kind of just not there right now.
If you're looking for a self-contained resort or hotel casino, this one will have everything for you, especially post-COVID, and you wouldn't have to leave. But if you do, yes, it's a hike.
It's a trek, yeah. So, final thoughts. What did you think of it overall?
You know, I really liked it. It was surprising to me, all the money that they put into the remodel. Not what I expected. I like how it's small. It smells good. It smells fresh. You would think that it's brand new if you were inside. The service is really, really good.
We living for love.
Yeah, the rooms, surprisingly beautiful. Check that video out.
Yeah.
But I would stay here again. You?
Yeah, I got to agree with that. Like, I would go back there as well. It's very, relaxing. It's not the, hyphy experience that you might get at, say, Flamingo. Hint, hint, coming up video. So, like, it's a different experience for sure, but if what you're looking for is a little more relaxed, it's more on that, calm and elegant side of things than it is on the turn-up party side of things. And that's nice if that's the kind of thing you're looking for. And yeah, the room was beautiful, the customer service was on point, like, it was great.
Yeah. So, if you're looking for a place to stay, give this a shot.
Yeah. The commute's not that bad.
No. But it's a hike.
Definitely. Be ready.
I've got sunshine. I've got you now. My body and body, oh, body and body, oh, body and body, oh, body and body. I know love now. And you're stuck in my mind. Body and body, oh, body and body, oh, body and body, oh, body and body. My friends don't like that I'm with somebody, oh no, oh no. I just want to stay in this melody, oh,
What the fuck was that?
Art.